朋友们，大家好，我是太阳老师。Hello everyone, I'm teacher Taiyang. Today we'll study lesson 23 from the series Elementary Chinese Reader and the first lesson from Elementary Chinese Reader 2. Before we start with this lesson, let us have a quick recall on what we have done so far. So as we know, the subject pattern, sentence pattern of Chinese sentence is similar to English, that is subject, verb and object. In this lesson, we'll look at how to make past tense sentences in Chinese. As we have seen earlier, in Chinese, there are no variation of verbs and tenses can only be made by adding particles to the verb. Same as we do with will in English. For example, I will go. Here will is a particle that when added to go makes a sentence future tense. Similarly, in Chinese, there are no variation of verbs. So there is no go, went, gone, eat, eating, eaten. To make tenses, we only use particles to make tenses. And in this lesson, we'll have a look how to make past tense sentences. Let us first have a look at these two sentences. 昨天我进城了。昨天 yesterday. 我 I or me. 进城 Jin is to enter. Chang is city. 进城 together means go to the city. Le is a particle that is used to make past tense sentences. Le has various functions in Chinese grammar, and one of them is as an aspect particle to make a sentence past tense. As we see in this sentence, 昨天 this is time element, 我 this is subject, 进 that's verb, 城 that's object, 进城 together here is acting as a verb, and le this particle here makes this sentence a past tense sentence. So the translation of this sentence becomes, yesterday I went to the city. 昨天我进城了. Yesterday I went to the city. When le is used as an aspect particle to make a sentence past tense, it is usually inserted after the verb. So, 昨天我进城了. Yesterday I went to the city. Similarly, if we have to make a sentence for which something like has not happened, for example, somebody has not arrived or something has not happened, you have not eaten food, it had not rained, so we add may. Remember, there are two ways to say no in Chinese, either pu or may. We use may whenever it is a past tense sentence. So if we have to make a past tense with may, we'll say, let's look at the second sentence in the box. 哈利没有来. Hali, that's a name, that is a subject in this sentence. May, that is past tense mark. Yo, this is optional. Lai, to come. Hali has not yet arrived, or Hali has not yet came. Let's again have a look at these two sentences, which we are going to study further in this chapter to understand how Chinese past tense sentences are made. 昨天我进城了. Yesterday I went to the city. 哈利没有来. Hali had not come. So these were the two sentences, the model sentences, and the grammar behind this chapter. We are going to learn how to make past tense sentences. Let's have a look at substitution drills. Let's have a look at the first sentence. Anna 在宿舍吗? Is Anna in the dormitory? 宿舍 dormitory. Is Anna at the dormitory? 不在 is not. She is not at the dormitory. 她去哪儿了? Where did she went? 她去图书馆了. She went to the dormitory. In this sentence, the usage of le makes it a past tense sentence. 她去图书馆了. She went to the dormitory. Notice the last line 图书馆 is underlined. We have to substitute 图书馆 library with the following words in the box at the right side. Let's have a look at the words in the box at the right hand side. First is playground, 操场. Let's replace it. Anna在宿舍吗? Is Anna at the dormitory? 不在 is not. 她去哪儿了? Where did she went? 她去操场了. She went to the playground. Let us look at more words in the box which we have to replace. So first we just did 操场 for playground. Let's look at the second word, 礼堂, auditorium or hall. 食堂, canteen. 邮局, post office. 医院, hospital. Replace these words with 图书馆 in the last line. So let's do it for the second word, which is 礼堂. Anna 在宿舍吗? Is Anna at the dormitory? 不在. 她去哪儿了? Where did she went? 她去礼堂了. She went to the dormitory. Moving on to the second substitution drill. Let us read the sentence. 你去哪儿了? Where did you went? 我去商店了. 商店 is shop or store. I went to the store. 你去哪儿了? 我去商店了. 你买什么了? What did you bought? 我买水果了. I bought fruits. Notice le is used when asking an interrogative question. It is used or placed after the interrogative particle. 你去哪儿了? 哪儿 where? Where did you went? 你买什么了? What did you bought? Le is placed after the interrogative particle. 你去哪儿了? 我去商店了. 你买什么了? 我买水果了. Let's look at words in the box to replace with 水果 or fruits. Let's see these words. 苹果 apple. 糖 sweet. 啤酒 beer. 汽水 soda water or cold drink. 汽水. Replace these words with 水果 or fruits. Moving on to the third substitution drill. Holly 来了吗? Had Holly came. Holly 没有来. Holly had not arrived or not yet come. Holly 来了吗? Holly 没有来. If we make or when we make a negative past tense sentence, something that has not happened, we use may or 没有. Holly 来了吗? Holly 没有来. Let's look at the words in the box and replace lie with those. Zo to walk. Holly 走了吗? Zo is to walk. Here again, this means as to go. Has Holly walked or gone? Holly 没有走. He has not walked. Let's look at the second word, 去. Holly 去了吗? Holly 没有去. Let's look at the third word, 睡, to sleep. Holly 睡了吗? Holly 没有睡. Notice le is omitted when we use may. So when making a negative past tense sentence, we omit the le that was used before to make a past tense sentence and add may or mayo. Moving on to the fourth substitution drill. 昨天你做什么了? Yesterday, what did you did? 昨天 yesterday. 你 you. 做 to do. 什么 what? Le, an aspect particle denoting a past tense. Yesterday, what did you did? 昨天我进城了. Yesterday, I went to the city. 进 is to enter. 城 is city or town. Le, an aspect particle denoting a past tense. Yesterday, I went to the city. Notice the underlined part, che, chang, to go to the city or enter the town, and replace these with the words in the box. Let us read the words in the box. 看电影, watch a movie. 去公园, go to the park. 去朋友那儿, go to the friend's place. 参加, 足球比赛, 参加 is to participate. 足球, football. 比赛, competition. Participated in a football competition. Yesterday, what did you did? I participated in a football competition. 昨天我参加足球比赛. Notice when it is clear from the context that something is past tense. So when we say 昨天, so by context it is very clear that it is a past tense sentence. We can omit le if something is clear from the context. So we can say 昨天我参加足球比赛. Because we have already mentioned that we are talking about yesterday. It is a past tense sentence. Moving on to the fifth substitution drill. 你复习课文了没有? Have you studied, reviewed text or not? 复习 is to review, and this is a sentence of a type positive, affirmative, negative question. 你复习课文了没有? Have you reviewed text or not? 我没复习课文. I have not reviewed text. This can also be reviewed as 我还没复习课文呢. We can add 还 and end it with another particle. 我没复习课文. Remember, when we have to make a past tense in a negative form, a negation, we never use who, we always use may or 没有. 我没复习课文. I have not reviewed text. Let us now replace with the words in the box. 念上色. 念 is to read. 上色. New words. Have you read new words or not? I have not read new words. 我没念上色. I have not read new words. 听录音. Think is to listen. 录音 is a record. 做练习. 做 to do. 练习 exercise. Have you done exercise or not? I have not done exercise. 翻译句子. 翻译 to translate. 句子 sentence. Have you translated sentence or not? I have not translated sentence. 我没翻译句子 or 我还没翻译句子呢. So remember, whenever we make a negative form in the past tense, we use may. 我没复习课文 and remove le that was earlier used to make a sentence past tense. Moving on to the sixth substitution drill. 马丁为什么没来? Why had Martin not arrived, or why had Martin not came? 马丁为什么没来 or 没有来? 他觉得不舒服. 觉得 is to feel. 舒服 comfortable. He is not feeling comfortable. 病了吗? 病 is ill. Le past tense mark. Ma interrogative particle. Is he ill? 病了吗? 他感冒了，感冒 is cold. 了 past tense mark. He had got cold. Why has Martin not arrived? He's not feeling comfortable. Is he ill? He has cold. Let's look at the box and replace this with these words. Pain, ill. Fa, shao, fever. Replacing it with fa, shao. Ma, ting. 为什么没来？他觉得不舒服。病了吗？他发烧了。He had got fever. These were the substitution drills and the sentences making past tense mark. Let us now read the text of lesson 23. Hali 病了。Hali is ill. 现在8点钟。现在 right now 8点 8 o'clock 钟 right now it's 8 o'clock. 已经上课了。已经 already 上课 the class 了 past tense mark. Already the class had started. It's 8 o'clock and already the class had started. 同学们都进教室了。同学们 classmates 都 no exception. 进 to enter 教室 classroom. The past tense mark. The classmates have already, all of them, entered the classroom. 张老师也来了。Teacher Zhang had also arrived. Ali had 没有来。Ali had not arrived. Still not arrived. I is still. 张老师问。张老师 Teacher Zhang wanted to ask. Teacher Zhang asked. Ali 去哪儿了？ Where had Ali gone? 为什么没有来？为什么 Why 没有 not have 来 come? Why has he not come? 他病了。病 is ill. He is ill. 一个同学回答。One classmate answered. 回答 to answer. 他去医院了吗？ Had he gone to the hospital? 去了。昨天上午他觉得不舒服。昨天 yesterday 上午 in the morning 觉得 felt 不舒服 not comfortable. Yesterday morning he felt uncomfortable. 下午 in the evening 去 went 医院了。Yes, in the evening went to the hospital. 大夫给他药了吗？药 is medicine. 给 to give. 大夫 doctor. Did doctor give him a medicine? 给了 give. 给 to give. 了 here makes it a past tense. 他吃药了没有？ This is a positive, affirmative, negative sentence. Did he eat the medicine or not? 他吃药了没有？吃了 吃 to eat 了 past tense mark. Ate it. 今天早上他觉得怎么样？今天 today 早上 morning 觉得 felt 怎么样？ How? Today morning how did he feel or how was he feeling? 起床了吗？床 is bed. 起床 is to get up in the morning. Did he wake up in the morning? 还没有呢。还 is still 没有 not have. No is a particle. Still had not. 今天早上他头疼。Today morning he had 头疼。头 is head, tongue is pain. Today morning he had pain in the head or a headache. 发烧 is fever. 没起床 is not 起床 wake up. Today morning he had headache, fever, did not get up. 他什么病？大夫说了吗？什么病 What illness? He had what illness? 大夫说了吗？ Did the doctor say what illness he had? Did the doctor say? 大夫说了 The doctor said 是感冒 感冒 is cold. It's cold. 可能他穿的太少可能 is perhaps 穿 to wear 太少 very less. Perhaps he was wearing less clothes or was not wearing adequate clothes. 可能他穿的太少你们一定要注意你们 is you all 一定 certainly 要 need 注意 notice. All of you should also notice 别感冒 don't get cold or be safe from cold. This was the text of lesson 23. In this we have learned how to make past tense sentences by using le and using may.